Hello there, my darlings. Let's get ready for our writing lesson for today. So, I have my notebook here with me, and I was actually thinking we've been talking about Charlie's bunny. If you don't know Charlie, she is in our first group, and she has a real bunny. And it got me thinking about when I was a little girl, back when the dinosaurs were alive, and I had a favorite stuffed animal. And guess what it was? It was a bunny. So back when I was like this young, this little person right here, I had a little bunny that was my stuffed animal. And I want to tell you guys all about it, but I'm actually going to draw a picture of her today. So I'm going to go back in my writing notebook. Go back, go back, go back. Very next page, right? All right, I'm going to go to my very next page, and I am going to write the date, okay? So I'm going to do 10, 14, 20. Okay, 10, 14, 20. And I am going to try and draw my favorite stuffed animal, my bunny, and then I'm going to try and do a sentence. All right, so when I'm thinking about my bunny, I'm gonna try and draw my bunny just as best as I possibly can, and I'm gonna start with my pencil, and then I might go back over it and I might trace it. All right, so let's think about my bunny. I'm thinking about my bunny's head was kind of like this, and her ears were big and floppy, right? Those are pretty big ears, aren't they? And I remember that, oh yeah, those are really big floppy ears. And I remember that she was actually missing an eye because I just loved on her so much. So she was missing one of her eyes. I remember she had whiskers, she had a little pink nose. So there we go. Huh, that doesn't look quite right. Okay, that's okay. Okay. And then I'm gonna do her body, and her body look kind of like this. And remember, if you've been in Miss Pickett's class before, then you know about strong arms, right? So instead of doing just one line, we're gonna do a strong arm, right? Which means I have to make it 2 lines because our arms are so strong, and my bunny's arms were so strong. There we go, looked about like this. And her little legs. And rabbits have really strong legs because they are really good at hopping, don't they? They are really good at hopping. So there we go. Looked about something like that. I might even color in her eyes a little bit. And of course I am going to label, right? But I'm also going to, am I missing anything else? No? Oh, I guess, should I color her? Do you think so? You do? Okay. All right. I will color her. Oh, I remember inside of her ears, actually, she did have some pink inside of her ears. I do remember that. Some pink inside of her ears. So I'm just trying to think of all of the things about my special bunny when I was younger. All right, so here we go. Oh yeah, and her nose was pink. Have you ever seen a rabbit with a pink nose? Yeah, that's pretty common, isn't it? Okay, I think that's pretty good. All right, so now I'm gonna color her, and she was gray. All right, so here we go, trying to do my best. Just trying so hard because I spent all that time drawing her. I don't want to go off and ruin her now by scribbling, right? So I'm going to try my best. Just try. That's all I can do. Just try my best. Okay, now I'm going to think about what I need to do next. And I think what I need to do next is label her. Label her. So I'm already thinking about the body parts that I see on her, the ones that I added, and I am going to label her. So, dun, 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 yes. Okay, So the first thing I'm going to do is I think I'm going to label her ear. She has some pretty big ears, doesn't she? 'Cause she's a rabbit, right? Okay, so I'm going to label ear. E, ear, e, ear. Looks right. There's her ear. And these are her arms. R, R. I think there's an A at the beginning. R, arm. Oh, yeah, that's her arm. So her ear and her arm. Oh, it's her leg. L, like elephant. Oh, this should be tall. Leg, g. Okay, so ear, arm, leg. Oh, should I maybe label her head? Maybe? Okay, let's do her head. I'll do an arrow. So head. It's an H. Like elephant. Oh yeah, that's an E. Head. D like dog. Okay. I think that was pretty good. Head, ear, arm, leg. Okay. All right. So now I need to write a sentence.